our credit report tip of the day. In times when borrowing becomes more costly and financial institutions raise their standards, small business owners must shift from reaction mode to preparation mode. This environment isn't a setback. It's a signal to sharpen your financial structure, strengthen your credibility, and position your business to stand out while others scramble. With the right strategy, you can stay competitive, protect your cash flow, and move forward even when credit markets tighten.